Hello everyone!
Hola!
Welcome back to another episode. We are here at a famous pizza place here in Valencia.
Yep, called Viva Napoli. Can you guys see behind?
And my arms just aren't spread like this for no reason. This pizza is a meter long.
It's going to be humongous. And you know us, when we heard about it, we had to try.
So, Valencia is pretty dead right now. Only about 2 out of every 10 restaurants are currently open.
Yep,
so
that's August.
When we had the opportunity to come here, we snagged a table. We're Vicky and Josh, a husband and wife team that quit our jobs in the States and moved to Valencia, Spain. We love traveling and seeing new places through food, drinks, and fun, just like a local. So subscribe and join us as we explore Europe and beyond. So, before we get to the pizza, we also wanted to share with you a little bit. Since Las Fallas is right around the corner, we stopped and saw some of these little sculptures called niños.
So this creation, people carved this and for a month. It's so much effort and they are beautiful. So there's an exhibition going on by the marina and people get to vote before the Las Fallas. So basically getting ready for the Fallas, and you get to, pick the winner.
Now the cool thing about the winner, there's only 2. They get saved. The other 698 will all be burned to the ground.
Yes.
So let's take a peek of these and then we're gonna eat some pizza. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, these are the niños. You have to pick which one you like. We get to vote. 1 vote per 1 ticket. Las Fallas, unarguably the biggest festival in Valencia and also UNESCO's intangible cultural heritage, is going to be held this September 1st to 5th. This event is normally held in March, but this year it was postponed due to COVID. These beautiful, funny, and also witty creations you see now are called niños, the smaller version of fallas. They are mainly made of paper, wood, and other flammable materials. People put months into their creation. Buñuelos. Yum. Infante. These are even smaller version of niños. And the winners are... Got some Italian beer.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Salud. So guys, we're here with our friends Bill and Denise. Some other Americans here. So we can't eat a 1 meter pizza by ourselves. So we have to call the backup in because, it's a big pizza.
We can try, but it's not gonna work. So we're like, well, may as well.
So we are getting ready to order, check out the menu, and then we will share this monster with you.
Yeah, let's go see this humongous pizza. Oh boy, get ready. All right, so someone wanted an appetizer, so let's see how much we can eat today, but it is a challenge. So we have
That someone's me.
we have a lasagna right here. It looks delicious. It's beautiful.
Dig in.
Yes, we're gonna give it a try. Cut right here.
Cheesy.
It is cheesy. Ooh, wow. I honestly don't remember the last time I had a lasagna. Whew. Soft, flavorful, tomatoey. Delicious.
I can't believe how good this looks.
Everybody's happy.
Let's see.
What do you think?
It's as good as mine.
Classic Italian. Very good.
Bill's Italian, screwed by him.
Delicioso.
They have added giant cans of tomato sauce to our table to support our meter-long pizza, guys. It's here.
I'm hoping that our table is long enough. We shall see.
I should have brought a meter stick so I could
you
actually
totally
measure
should
the
have done
pizza. Guys, the pizza is here. We have a sausage eggplant, a margarita, and the Diablo. So some spicy salami. Let me try a corner slice here. This is the Diablo. That is a very airy crust. The bottom charred perfectly. Great tomato sauce. I'm gonna try the sausage with eggplant. I've never had eggplant on pizza before. This is a first for me. The sausage is really good. The eggplant's really good. The sauce is delicious. Muy bueno.
Oh, there you go. Italian classic. Crust is so thin, perfectly charred. Sauce is great. Basil, mozzarella cheese. I mean, it's amazing.
Let's ask the Italian.
The pizza is fantastic. I concur with Vicky. The sauce is great. The Italian sausage is unbelievable. So good.
Denise?
Food, yum. This is how much is left. We're almost there. Everyone's going for the, last piece?
We've been eating for all of 5 minutes.
You guys don't disappoint us. Let's go for the last piece.
Cheers! Guys, we killed the pizza.
1 meter. It's gone.
We did it. We did it. Dessert is here. Ooh, I got a cannoli. At one end we have some chocolate chips. One end we have pistachios. Denise has a cheesecake. And Bill, of course, has his own.
I'm not sharing with anyone.
Everything is homemade here.
Do you want the pistachio end or the chocolate chip end?
I'll take the pistachio.
Okay.
We're splitting it in half.
See.
Pistachio.
Cheers. It's a big mess. Delicious. Sorry for the lighting, guys. It's a little dark. You can't really see the color very well, but it is delicious.
We were the first to sit down for dinner and the last to get our pizzas. So, you know.
I think because we put our order a little late.
We were too busy drinking and not reading the menu.
Too busy talking.
Everyone else came in behind us like stealthily and sat down and ordered as soon as they sat down. And we slacked.
Yeah. But great experience. Delicious. Let's see.
$85.50 is the
four of
price.
us.
4 people. €3 a beer. The pizza was €30. Lasagna was 8. And each dessert was 5. Yeah.
Oh my god.
All right, guys.
I am so full, and I feel like a pizza is expanding in my stomach.
That was a meter-long pizza you just saw us devour.
1 meter.
And it was good.
Yes. So delicious.
I mean, I think
good.
I think I could say it's the best pizza we've had probably in Valencia.
Yes, for sure.
But it was really good. If you're here and you're down, we are in the Cabanyal neighborhood. So if you haven't watched our other Cabanyal video, we'll put that link right up here.
Yep.
So you can see that video. But really cool town, you know, right next to the beach. So come down for sunset and then grab yourself a meat on pizza.
Yeah, right now it's a little bit quiet because it's August.
Yeah.
It's a very lively area.
All right, guys, that is gonna be a wrap for tonight.
That's it for tonight. We're so full.
We hope you enjoyed eating that humongous 1 meter pizza with us because it was delicious.
Yes. If you like this video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because we're going to be having another exciting video next week.
Guys, it's my birthday, so we are going to a specialty restaurant where they serve some of the most delicious and delectable foods right here in Spain.
So, good night. See you next week.
Adios.
Hasta luego.